Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on October 11th and 12th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Stop Bullying Day. National Stop Bullying Day, also known as Unity Day, is observed on the second Wednesday in October each year. It is a day dedicated to raising awareness about the need to prevent bullying and the promotion of kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. On this day, schools, communities, and organizations across the United States come together to educate individuals about the impacts of bullying and to provide resources and support to those who have been affected by bullying. Various events and activities are organized to encourage dialogue and understanding to foster a culture of respect and kindness. Unity Day encourages people to wear orange to visibly show their support for students who have been bullied and to demonstrate a collective stance against bullying. The date of National Stop Bullying Day can vary, depending on the year, since it is the second Wednesday of October. National Coming Out Day. National Coming Out Day is observed annually on October 11th. It is a day of awareness celebrating individuals who publicly identify as bisexual, gay, lesbian, transgender, or queer. The day also serves to promote LGBTQ+ rights and raise awareness of the ongoing struggle for civil rights within the LGBTQ+ community. The day was founded in 1988 by Robert Eichberg and Jean O'Leary, marking the anniversary of the National March on Washington for Lesbian and Gay Rights, which took place on October 11, 1987. The idea is to encourage LGBTQ+ people to come out of the closet and openly express their identities, fostering a sense of community and helping to dispel negative stereotypes and stigmas surrounding the LGBTQ+ community. Individuals, communities, and organizations celebrate National Coming Out Day with events, workshops, rallies, and outreach to support LGBTQ+ people and to foster understanding and acceptance within the broader community. The day is an opportunity for allies to show their support for LGBTQ+ friends, family, and colleagues and to advocate for equal rights and representation. International Day of the Girl Child. International Day of the Girl Child is a United Nations designated observance held annually on October 11th. This day aims to highlight the needs and challenges girls face while promoting the fulfillment of their human rights and empowering them. The day seeks to address issues such as education, equality, child marriage, access to services, violence against girls, and discrimination. The observance is an opportunity for organizations, communities, and individuals to raise awareness about gender inequalities and to advocate for girls' rights and opportunities. Every year, the day is marked with various events, activities, and initiatives around the world to draw attention to the challenges faced by girls and young women and to encourage actions towards achieving gender equality and empowering girls and young women. Different themes are assigned to the International Day of the Girl Child each year to focus on specific areas of advocacy and action, and people are encouraged to participate in local events, discussions, and activities to support the rights of girls worldwide. National Sausage Pizza Day. National Sausage Pizza Day is celebrated annually on October 11th. It is a fun, informal culinary holiday in the United States that honors and celebrates the popular sausage pizza. On this day, pizza enthusiasts indulge in pizzas topped with a variety of sausages, celebrating the fusion of flavors that the combination creates. Many pizza restaurants and pizzerias may offer special deals or promotions on sausage pizzas in honor of the day. People who observe this day often celebrate by enjoying a slice of sausage pizza with friends or family, either by making homemade pizzas or ordering from their favorite local pizza place. Social media users may share their celebrations using hashtags like #NationalSausagePizzaDay to connect with other enthusiasts and to share pictures, recipes, or recommendations. Keep in mind, this is not an official holiday but rather a day created to celebrate a specific food item loved by many. National Gumbo Day. National Gumbo Day is celebrated annually on October 12th in the United States. It is a culinary observance dedicated to celebrating gumbo, a flavorful stew or soup originating from Louisiana. Gumbo is traditionally made with a strong flavored stock, meat or shellfish, and the holy trinity of vegetables, namely celery, bell peppers, and onions. National Gumbo Day encourages people to enjoy this delicious and hearty dish, whether by cooking it at home or ordering it from a restaurant. People celebrate by sharing their favorite gumbo recipes, hosting gumbo cook-offs, or simply enjoying a bowl of gumbo with friends and family. This day is not an official holiday but rather a fun, informal celebration of a beloved dish, and it is a great time for food enthusiasts to explore different gumbo recipes and variations. National Pulled Pork Day. National Pulled Pork Day is celebrated annually on October 12th in the United States. It's a day dedicated to honoring and enjoying the culinary delight that is pulled pork, a method of cooking pork where what would otherwise be a tough cut of meat is cooked slowly at low temperatures, allowing the meat to become tender enough so that it can be pulled, or easily broken into individual pieces. This is a day for barbecue enthusiasts and food lovers to indulge in this savory dish, whether it's at home or at their favorite barbecue joint. People might celebrate by preparing pulled pork recipes, having barbecue gatherings, or enjoying pulled pork sandwiches at local restaurants. Much like other food-themed holidays, National Pulled Pork Day is more of a culinary observance and informal celebration rather than an officially recognized holiday, but it offers a great opportunity for those who enjoy this dish to indulge and celebrate. World Sight Day. World Sight Day is a global event observed annually on the second Thursday of October. It aims to focus attention on blindness and vision impairment and is an important advocacy and communications event on the International Eye Health calendar. The initiative is meant to encourage people to be aware of and take care of their eyesight and to advocate for blindness prevention. World Sight Day is organized by the International Agency for the Prevention of Blindness, IAPB, in cooperation with the World Health Organization, WHO. It's a day marked by various activities and events conducted by organizations, institutions, and advocates from around the world. Events include awareness campaigns, vision screenings, educational events, fundraising walks, and other community events aimed at addressing the importance of good eye health and accessibility to eye health services. Each year, a different theme is chosen to highlight specific issues related to avoidable blindness and visual impairment. Since it falls on the second Thursday of October, the date varies from year to year. In 2023, World Sight Day would be observed on October 12th. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.